What's up everyone? Welcome back. My name's Justin and we got a huge Volkswagen update. You can get a little sneak peek there behind me. But huge update, tons of progress. But first, let's take a look at what we had going on this week. Okay, you guys saw what we had going on this week. Let's take a step back and look at the car as a whole. It's the first time we've had a whole car in a year, about 11 months since it looked like this. But it is all together. Fenders are on and finished. Window frame, we just put it on for the first time. Rear fender's on. So where we're at on the car, those two fenders are not on. These wheel wells, the bolts all through here are fixed. So at this point, this entire side of the car is done. Back of the car is done, and the front of the car is done. The only thing we have left to do is the wheel wells, the bolts on the passenger side, the front and back. The fenders are already fixed. We fixed those before we even did the car. So 2 wheel wells and the hood. The hood needs fixed right up there. You can see the horrible repair that was done in the past by someone. But the car is pretty much done. A little bit of work left. As of right now, end of October. That's the goal. The last week of October, we'll be painting the car in the white DP again. It's not going to be body color paint. It's just going to be DP like it was already in to cover all the work that we've worked on. But end of October, car's getting resprayed, and then I'm picking it up here from the shop, coming home with me, and we'll be ready to start doing body work, filler, stuff like that. Doesn't need a lot of filler, but like this fender we had to completely rework, and you can see it's not the smoothest, but that's as good as it can get with those angles. So it does need a little bit of filler here and there, but the car is almost done. The window frame is all on. This is a new window frame. The old one was completely rotted, so new window frame. It's all bolted on. huge progress. So we got the wheel wells all fixed. You can see, let me get you a light here. You can see how we fixed the wheel wells right in there. That's how it is all the way around. We got new nutserts, so it's fixed all around there. This one we didn't have to fix because it's a new fender, but that one's fixed. We got to do that back fender. That front one looks pretty good. The plan is to get this thing out of here because it's taking a long time, costing a lot of money. So we're gonna get this home and it's gonna stay with me for a while. The doors still need fixed. You can see the rust down there in the doors, but that's not crucial to do final stuff on the body itself. So eventually sometime this winter when we have time, all 4 doors are coming back here to the shop, and the trunk to my Plymouth is also coming to the shop, and we're gonna touch those up, get those perfect, and then I'll bring those parts back home. But those are just kind of, those aren't critical parts. We don't need these doors finished because the outside of the doors isn't gonna change. So we don't need them. You know, we can do our alignments, start doing body work with these doors with the rest, and then we'll fix those later on. We just need to get this thing out of here before winter because we need to spray it before winter. And another car needs to come in. It just needs to get out of here, and we'll get to the doors and the trunk of the Plymouth when we have time. That's not that critical. But you can see, so we'll come over here to this side. You can kind of see what we're working with. Let me grab you some light here. You can kind of see what we gotta fix on these. But that's the only thing left, is on this side. But other than that, huge progress. I actually saw the car like this last week. When I got up here last week when I got back from vacation, the fenders were on it just so I could see it. We pulled the fenders off for the video because they weren't done yet, so we didn't want to show it yet. But at this point, they're done. They're bolted on for the final time. We put the window frame on today. The car looks great. So with that said, we're gonna keep doing updates. End of October, that's the goal right now. But I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for more. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you later.